Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called the Decorated Tea Party Open Collab, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now the co-hostesses of the collab is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me. And then you have Mary Key's Happy Home Decor, the Rodgers House, Diva Decorating, and Table Talk with Robin. I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can get some decor ideas for the spring. Now in this video I decided to decorate a table for two near the window, and I also decided, since April is Awareness Month for Autism, I did decide to incorporate a couple of pieces that would remind you of so. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to music as I decorate my table. So now what I did is I took this fabric that has butterflies on it and decided to wrap it in the center of the placemat, and I thought that gave it a really nice touch. Now I did decide to add some puzzle pieces, so we're going to be moving that around probably until I feel happy. So I am just loving this location where I decided to decorate my little table for tea, and I hope that you think it's beautiful as much as I do. So let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Okay, now let's look at the table. So here we have a thrifted cloth napkin, and then right over that I decided to put one of the blue napkins before putting it in the ring. And then here is the cloth with the butterflies that I decided to wrap over that placemat, and that I thrifted also. And then of course on the left there are the puzzle pieces. I think the table came out absolutely beautiful. So on this side of the table are all the items that I use to decorate and create the ambiance. And there we have the window where I decorated with plenty of butterflies. I'm just absolutely loving that. The little bunny butt, the flowers, and of course the scenery. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed how I set up my tea party as much as I enjoyed setting it up for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one.